MIKEGTV. Look what I got. I finally got me a damn bumper. Thanks, Mike, for getting that bumper for me, man. You don't know how much I needed that. But probably gonna put it on tomorrow. I'm on my way to work right now. I just got back from getting the bumper. It was a long ass ride, but got me a bumper. No more folded up bumper.
The next day.
Put this front bumper on. I really need to change the bumper fillers, like the rubber pieces or plastic pieces that go between the bumper and the header panel or the grill or whatever. But I don't think I'm doing that today. I'm just gonna change the bumper, make the car look a little bit better than it does right now, because that bumper is really bad. Basically all I'm gonna do is there's four nuts there that I need to put on, and there's another 4 on the other side. It's really not that hard to do, so I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna take the old one off and put my newer bumper on. These are the things that I was talking about, these rubber things. It is kind of loose and they are dirty, but I'll let the paint guy do that. So this is the before, if you haven't seen the car. If this is your first time watching the video. Taking this bumper off. I'm gonna put the other one on. It's good on this side, but the car was hit on this side. So I'm just gonna take it off and put the other one on. Alright, I got the bumper, the bad bumper off. I forgot I gotta change this shock absorber. Let me see if I can push it in. I know it's messed up. I know I don't want to move, but it's loose. And it was leaking from the accident. You can see it's all wet. You see how it got pushed in. You see the marks. So I'm gonna have to change that too. I forgot all about that, but it's all right. I have it. I got it from the junkyard. All right, I finally got that all loose. There is a bolt in the back. I'll show you guys right now where it's at. They're all 13s. This is the bolt right here. It is, you see down there? You gotta go between the battery and the chassis or whatever, but that's it right there. This job is taking longer than I thought. I'm gonna spray this up, make it look a little better. I sprayed a little spot right there, but I'm gonna spray the whole thing, make it look a little better. Alright, I got about 2 coats of Walmart's Finest on there. Just to make it look better and hopefully stop it from rusting even more. But yeah, 2 coats. I gotta let it dry now. More time wasting, and put it on the car. I'm over here just messing with the car. I forgot all about I got an appointment with the paint guy at 12 o'clock. But I don't even know what time it is right now. I gotta go check. Forgot all about that. I just finished it up. I scraped it up when I was putting it in, so I had to put some more paint on it, but everything looks good in there now. Now it's time to put the bumper on. Alright, I just finished putting the bumper on. I gotta tuck this under there. But I'm late for my appointment for the paint guy. It looks way better than it did. I got the passenger side light still for the bumper, I gotta buy a driver's side, but I know where there's one at. I'm gonna go get it probably tomorrow. Damn, I forgot to put the take the plate off the other bumper. So I guess I gotta do that now. But it's on there. The car is looking better than, way better than it was. Takes time, man. Takes time. All right, I just finished putting that side in. I still gotta get one of these, but I gotta go see the paint guy now. I'm almost at the body shop right now, the place where I got my car painted the first time. All right, he told me $1,500 to fix it, around $1,500. That's good because the insurance company is only trying to give me $2,200, and I bought all the parts out of my pocket. I need my money back, and I need a rental. But he told me to call him on next Friday. He's gonna tell me where he's at with the car he's working on now. But it's a good thing he said $1,500, man, because I'm only getting, I think they $2,400 or $2,200 that the insurance company wants to give me. And I need a rental too, so $1,500 sounds good to me, man. I guess it's time to go get something to eat. I'm gonna try that chicken place since I'm out here in Pawtucket already. I'm gonna try that chicken place again. What was it? Crispy, crunchy chicken. Get me another tripleta. And last time I went there, he said he didn't have no chicken. He said the truck didn't come. The chicken truck didn't come. But hopefully the chicken truck came today. Let's go see what they got.